Hi friends, here I am discussing about the guidelines for the preparation of good research manuscript on the occasion of PhD coursework of Savitribai Phule, Pune University, Pune, which was organized and conducted by postgraduate Department of Botany, Tuljaram Chaturchand College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Baramati, District Pune, on 17th and 18th July 2020. In this connection, I have discussed on how to write good research manuscript from a good title and how to quotate the references and why the research papers are going to be rejected in standard and impacted journal. So I request you to listen and watch my YouTube channel, the complete series of research preparations. First of all, my genuine gratitude to the Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune, has given me such an opportunity. My topic for PhD student coursework, and especially this PhD coursework is organizing by TC College, Baramati. First of all, I'm congratulations to the college who has organized such a very important aspects related for the PhD course. I'm very much thankful to the principal of this college who has given me such opportunity. I am also thankful to the coordinator of this course, PhD course, Dr. Kanade sir, Head Department of Botany from this college, Dr. Chavan sir, Mari sir, and all PhD students who gathered here for listening my topic based on the guidelines of the manuscript preparations, research manuscript preparation. And I'm thankful to Sujit for a nice introduction to me. So friends, here we discussing very most important aspects as far as the research students is concerned. Not only this is issue for PhD students, but such issues for the PhD awarded students, then teachers, those who are having the PhD, as well as PhD guides, those who are having their PhDs. Wherever you are writing a research, any piece of parts, and they respect to their publication in front of us. And you all students are the learned students, because you must have such a basic idea, the fundamental idea, how to write the manuscripts, how to write the research manuscripts. Because during your synopsis submission, you might have been search so many articles related to your aspects, related to your topic. Then with the help of that topic, you select some aspects and put in your synopsis, and showing your respective mentor or the guide, and compile as per the guideline of your university. That is your synopsis. That is your first step. But while you are for PhD, so that time during publication, during compilation of the synopsis, what matter we can be collected from that synopsis, what matter should be collected from any other finding and the respective sentences. So that time we will have not any clear idea about that time. But friends, now this is your first step, and I'm very much thankful to organizer or coordinator Kannada sir. He said me that the guidelines for the good manuscript preparations, and I agree that, and as soon as I have given the consent to him, this aspect is for PhD students. Not only PhD students must attend or should check it for the teachers as well as for the PhD awarded students. Why? Because of that, while writing the manuscripts, while writing the research manuscripts, so many mistakes, so many errors are found, and such manuscripts, you have done work, good piece of work, but such manuscripts, such research work was rejected by the standard journal, not payable journal or not commercial journal. The commercial journal, what kind of you have written the manuscript, as such, no any errors are there, problems are present in that particular MS, no such questions will raising by this publisher, and as such they are going to be published, and such publication we are going to be count. But friends, Mr. Sujit has read my biodata as well as he has one. Let us see now here. From last 20 years, 22 years, I am working in the field of research, in the field of as a teacher, and consistently I am writing the manuscripts in not only in our Maharashtrian journal or in Indian journal, but in overseas journal from America, from London, from South Africa, from Australia, from China. So such from that standard journal are having good impact factor, more than 3 impact factors. So in such impact factor journals I have published papers, because consistently your work are going to be, or your writing should be in there. Day by day your writing skills should be improved. Then you must know the steps of writing. What point should be considered first time? How to think about the publication. Since 22 years I am techno system generation. One click will get lot of informations, lot of references related to your subject, related to your papers, related to your work, previous finding, and we are taking some support apart and preparing such a type of research publication of journals or synopsis. Still from 1998 I am working in mycology and plant pathology. At BSc level my specialization was mycology and plant pathology in third year, as well as my specialization at MSc level is also mycology and plant pathology. And friends, from when I was joined for PhD, my topic is also based on mycology and plant pathology. And third from this means now my number is 149 publications. No single papers I was published out of mycology and plant pathology only. So that is a specialization. Means your tempo or your work should be in a one line. No mixing. Yes, we are the botanist. We know each and every things. We have the taxonomy, morphology, genetics will understanding, physiology will understanding. But try to understand what lines you want to continue. And still now I am working in mycology and plant pathology. Specially I have published a number of papers, up to 149 papers based on plant disease management. Then biopesticide, especially trichoderma, and very my interesting area, there is arbuscular mycorrhizal fungi, there is AMF fungi and thermophilic fungi. So such work is still carried out my PhD students, and on the basis of that their work I have published till now 140. So why I am going to explain these all things? That is you are the beginners, you are the learners. While I am sharing my screen, because it will be sent for the standard journal just like elsewhere, Springer, then plant disease notes published from America. So such things should be always keep in your mind. Tomorrow's day is different, so your standards should be day by day maintained, and your publication should be, and then you will be receiving the good citation for you students. So by this brief an account about how to go for this our review, because these are the different steps from the title to the end point why the manuscripts are rejected, and also I have given my own sites of research publication. So for this, so many travels are there. It should be required likely to be 2 hours, and the different steps, different types of the publications. Okay, so I'm sharing my. So friend, this is suggested by Kanade sir. Good aspects for you students. That is the guidelines for the preparation of research manuscript. You must know the meaning of research, and thereafter we are going to go towards research is not a single piece. Research you call only research paper, full length papers, but there are the different publications are there. That is a short communication, which is short communication. How, what is their respective meaning, and also I am sharing my publications, but what kind of the short communications are there. Then research article and full length paper publications. Try to understand, because you must have such idea what we can call as a short communication, what is research article or full length paper publications. Then the review articles, that is also very most important aspects, review articles. And fourth one, that is book chapter. Then last aspect, that is thesis writing, but not a detailed focusing on the thesis writing, because whatever the points are going to be covered in this aspect, that is totally related to the thesis writing. You will get a clear idea about that, the thesis writing. So basically here the 4 points should be keep in mind. Then research article or full length paper publications, research review articles, and book chapter. So these are the four very most important aspects. How to write about that. So briefly I will introduce or give the some in second slide. So what is research paper or research or manuscript? Everyone are having little bit idea, because a research paper is a piece of academic writing. Means there is a small aspects, those who are some ideas are going to be shown for the other one, or it might be published. That is our some new things are to be here. Some significant idea should be in my writing. So these aspects come under the meaning of research is a piece of academic writing, and that provides analysis. In interpretation should be required, their analysis should be required, and their reporting should be required in significant manner. If in that writing, in that academic writing, if there is some significance are there, if some any outputs are in there, and in depth, it will be independent research findings should be there, So that phenomenon is going to be considered for the research, and especially for the paper. Means finding something should be finding other than the art, not on such past practices. That is our work, that is our theme should be in there, our background should be there. So such publications are found firstly. So this phenomena is considered for the research or such a manuscript. Another way, that is also the same theme, things to be here, that is a research paper or the manuscripts of the chapters or articles, or it gives a perspective or makes an argument that is important to be selected area of research and investigated the answer through your research problem. Means what is the problem you have been selected, then that problems are going to be investigated or significantly or showing your ideas through that work. So this phenomena is called as the research. Please watch my YouTube channel continuously. You will get the series of manuscript preparations. Thank you.